All right, this has seen better days. Let's turn this on, max. So just so you guys can see how bad this is, it's pretty rough. It's been a while since we cleaned this.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Today we're taking a look at this cordless vacuum. We're going to show you guys everything you get inside, and then we're going to demonstrate it for you as well. So we got this for our vehicle, but you guys could use this for your house, pretty much anywhere, everywhere. Alright, so you have a bunch of different extension ends. So this is it. Go ahead and remove all the plastic around the unit itself. Looks like this plastic on here. Twist to open it, and then you just line it up with the unlock button and then turn it to lock it back in place. This opens up to your filter. This opens up to your filter as well. Pretty simple, easy, straightforward. Press and hold to turn on. Alright, so this blows. This sucks. And you just add your extensions for whatever you're using. We're going to go ahead and test this out in our vehicle. And we can open this up and you're going to see a lot of stuff in here. So if we put this on our hand, you can see all this stuff it picked up. So that's all the stuff it picked up. Not bad for a little thing. It's working pretty good for what it is. And there's some like dog hair that doesn't seem to want to come out. But you know, it's not going to do a great job with all of this because it's got a smaller tank. But this is where a bigger vacuum would come in play, but it does suck up and it does work. So I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is good for yeah, definitely cleaned it up better. It'd be good to like use a really big vacuum for the big stuff, and then for the smaller stuff use this. Or if you keep up with the cleaning and use this like once a week or so. But